So recently I decided to use up some of the paint on my palette and also some old practice sheets that I would normally throw away. And from that I started doing these stripes over them, and I had no real purpose in mind other than using up those paints. But already I could see how interesting it was, how this semi-opaque paint creates this light veil over the colorful swatches, and how these more beige, neutral tones felt different compared to the more colorful areas. So what is this? This is what I call an idea collection. I'm just using materials I don't really need anymore. This is gouache paint that has dried up anyways, and paper I was close to throwing away. And I'm mixing it together with no outcome in mind, just going through the movement of spreading the paint. And then I fold the paper in half, and suddenly I start to get new combinations. Patches of color that were never next to each other originally are now sitting together. And I can start seeing, do I like this? Do I want this to go together? And what happens if I fold it another way? And that's the next step in the idea generation process. So this is something you can do if you haven't been feeling very inspired lately. It's very low pressure, no outcome in mind, just making marks, spreading paint, and then recombining it, maybe in an art journal that you can keep working in. I could now go in with charcoal, for example, and see what happens if I put it on top of this. And if something really speaks to me, I can take that and bring it into a finished artwork. But this part, this is really important. This is the idea generation process that I like to do. If this was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon.